I got the horses in the back, horse stock is attached. Head is matted black, got the bushes black.
Bobo no. Ninang yan.
The agility we got to get operated in the same day that I crashed, and the strong mentality and the conviction I had to race here, make this.
Marco Simoncelli leads this Grand Prix and he's leading it brilliantly. Oh no! No! Oh! Simoncelli crashes! He nearly held it, and Lorenzo now leads the Grand Prix. That first corner is glacially slippery. Simoncelli, what have you done? What have I said?
It's self. Oh, he's going down. Let's have a bit of surfing. Nagashima surfs the Honda into the dirt. Well, that gets 9 out of 10 for style there, young man. Oh, what a shot! What a shot! Picture of the year by Dorna. Absolutely incredible, even in focus. There's a guy out there with the camera who's soaking wet through, coming to the end of his day's work, who's managed to get that. Well, that deserves an award all on its own. You can see that full-time, slow-mo, high-mo, even the sparks coming off the casings and the footrest are absolutely brilliant. Take your hat off that man. He deserves naming, whoever he is. He'll be Spanish. Look at the sparks in there. Look at the look on his face. I like the look on his face, Nagashima. Where am I going? He's thinking at this point. What is going to hurt first? Brilliant. Absolutely brilliant. Award-winning stuff by Dorna.
It'll be the smoothest crash he's ever had.
Sat on it, yeah. But at this point, he's still...
I got the horses in the bag, horse stock is attached. Head is matted black, got the bushes black to match.